Hey guys, Richard here. So first of all, I want to wish you a very, very happy new year. Now, I hope 2022 has got big things in store for you. I know from my own channel, my own business, I've got lots and lots of plans. And I want you to be part of it. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you've just come across this video, please subscribe. If you have, I want to say thank you very, very much. I built this channel up to 7,000 subscribers now, which means I know that I'm helping more and more people to actually avoid a lot of the mistakes that I made when I first started out online. I do kind of review type videos which show you some of the pitfalls of some of the products that you might see online, and I also could kind of give you some tips and tricks and tutorial videos that teach you how to do things very, very simply. Now, the person that actually taught me how to do all of this is a guy called Philip Barrowman. He is my mentor, and he is the guy that pretty much taught me everything that is now building my business online. I make thousands of dollars every month online. That's not to make you in any way kind of jealous or anything. I want to show you that even a normal person like me can start to make proper money online if you follow some very simple kind of rules and concepts. So guys, what I've got for you today is pretty special. It's a very, very simple mini course. Now, it's called the Simple Income Accelerator. Now, this is a way that you can build a very, very engaged audience. Now, you don't need thousands and thousands and thousands of people online to actually make a really good living. What you do need is an engaged audience that likes to get your content and likes to see value in your content and really engages with you. Now, he teaches you a method that you can use today to actually start doing that, and it's the method that I actually use whenever I have any kind of interaction with people. I use this method to actually drive a lot of engagement. So if I just jump inside very quickly, this is a very simple video course. You've got 5 videos here. It's less than half an hour to go through, but you can actually start implementing this. The great thing about this is that you can implement this today and you can start seeing results very quickly. Now guys, the very cool thing about this is $1.99, which is absolutely nothing for the information you're going to get here. You need to go and grab this right away. Philip Barrowman is a very great marketer. He's a very honest guy. He's going to teach you a very simple method here for driving lots and lots of your customer engagement, which is going to grow your business, right? So go ahead and grab this. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and see what this is all about. Watch this video. And there is only one upsell. You'll see here the one upsell is a 3-day trial to his flagship membership site, which is Taking Action Online. This is a comprehensive site that teaches you every single thing you need to know if you're a complete beginner how to build a business online, whether you want to do blogging, whether you want to do YouTube, whatever it may be. It teaches you everything. That's all there is there, guys. But on the front end, this is literally $2. It's a no-brainer. You need to go and grab it. It's a very good course, and I know I use this method every day and it really does work. Again guys, I really want to say thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. There will be plenty more in 2022. I've got lots and lots of different plans ahead, and for you, I want you to have a very happy and successful 2022. Until next time guys, take care.